I'm creating this small video for demonstrating how to use this bot from beginning to the end. I want to keep this video very small so that you can watch it till the end and understand how to make use of this bot. Okay, you are in your folder where you can see this blue little this blue icon. Just double click it, just run it, and here you need to enter your license credentials and press login. You might need to click 2 3 4 5 times if there are other users are login on the server. Just keep clicking on login, you will get login. But in case if you see invalid license or contact to administration, then don't worry, your license is activated. It might be possible that you are running HMA in the background. Just make sure it is not even in the system tray also. You don't need HMA to run manually. Bot will automatically boot and change IP. Okay, before I proceed with the settings, I want to show you how to configure HMA. Make sure you have, okay, it's connected. Just click on the setting tab here, and here you need to put a checkbox where it says auto connect after launch. And if you want to keep this window in the system to minimize, you can put a checkbox here also, but make sure you are not enabling any of these settings. And also you don't have to put a checkbox here. Don't put a checkbox here that says randomly change IP address. Okay, and to make sure you put a checkbox here that says remember my username and password. It's required. Okay, we are done with the HMA settings. Now let me go and show you how you need to create your keyword file. And before we proceed with keyword settings, we need to make sure that settings in the main settings are correct. Leave this option as it is, and these are internal settings. Okay, you can select Google locals according to your requirement, and if you want to send your visit using google.com only instead of Google locals, or according to the country of HMA IP that HMA provides you, but you do not want to use country or Google local that IP HMA provide you, then you need to make sure that you are using Google/NCR. What this will do, it will open google.com every time regardless the country IP of HMA. Okay, but if you want to use IP location, then you can use this google.com only. Now if HMA gives you IP of let's say UK, then bot will open google.uk if you select this option. Okay, here specify the location for the user agent file. It should be in your folder that you unzipped, CCleaner, and of course the location of HMA Pro. Okay, it's usually in C/program x86 or only program files. Okay, if you want to block media, then put a checkbox here. If you do not want to show images and etc while bot is browsing your website. Okay, I'm not going to touch any of these things because I am just showing you. And now let me take you to the keyword settings. Press this little icon. Okay. Please watch this video carefully, because if you make any mistake or if you miss anything, bot will say job done successfully, error message. Okay, add keyword, click this tab. Here just type a campaign name, let's say 1A1, nothing, and URL of the client, the website URL, and if you have www. Then do include this, but don't include http// and here add your keywords. You can type as many keywords as you want. Keywords, okay, that's okay. Now auto configuration, medium, high, or what you want, you can use according to your preferences. Select, it's already selected. timeout bot will stay this much time according to these settings on your website or internal pages. Also clicks to be made in internal pages 4 5 3 3 or 2 is good enough. And repeat, if you want to repeat the search for these keywords 5 times 6 times, you can do this, but maximum is 5. You can increase later on, I'll show you. Pause is time in minutes, is maximum 5 minutes, but you can increase if you want, I will show you. And do make sure that you put a radio click here in the Google, and then now you can see. Okay, then we have referrals. Please watch my other video explain referral visits, how to make referral visits later on. And now you can press the save button and also save this also. Okay, it's done. Now it's done, file is saved. And as I told you that I will show you how you can increase the number of repeats and number of search post time. This is a post time. So what you can do, just double click, select the section you want to make changes to and press F2. Now you can type 10 or anything. Again here post time, if you want I would say 15 is good. If you do not want to spam Google, make in use of this bot intelligently. And that's it. You can also, if you want to delete the whole section, just press like this, select this and press delete, it will delete. Okay, it's done. So this is the basic settings that you can follow to make use of this bot properly. Okay, I just show you that you can increase the number of visits. If you remember, we type 10 to make visit 10 in the repeat, and if you go and check the status, you will find that bot automatically randomize the keywords, and this makes total of 10 visits, right? So this way you can make use of this bot. And if you find any issues or find or seek any help for me, I am always ready. Just shoot me an email that you have. And thanks for watching.